Hey guys, so today I want to show you an example of how cashback sites and how which websites you dropship from on Amazon can really make quite a difference. So this is an actual sale that I made today. So I sold an item and I dropship it from a supplier here in Canada who anyone could have access to, and so I sold the item for, I think it was like around $900, but then after Amazon took their fees, what I receive after all the fees is $802, okay? The total cost for me after tax, I bought the item and shipped it directly to the customer. It hasn't shipped yet, but I just made the purchase now. So then that total cost for me came to $792. So you would think, okay, that's a pretty high value item to only make a $10 profit on. But you guys got to keep in mind there are a lot of other things you can do to make money or to maximize your profit when you're selling higher value items. So what this would look like is that it would be a $10 profit, but actually it's a lot higher because of the cashback sites that you can use. So let's make everything black font now. Okay, so my credit card gives me 2% credit card rewards on every purchase. So then I get it in cash back. You can use it on merchandise and stuff, but I just use it for cash back, and that gives me 2%. So on an $800 purchase, that comes to $16. The next thing is the 2% cash back that Ebates was offering. So this gave me an additional $16. And you guys, if you're making purchases for drop shipping or for any sort of online arbitrage, you guys need to make sure that you have either Ebates or Top Cashback or both of them. I have both of them because I will compare the rates before I make the purchase to ensure that I'm getting the highest percentage cashback, because every percentage point counts when you're doing millions of dollars of sales. And that's why Ebates and Top Cashback have earned me tens of thousands of dollars over the years just from small percentages of cashback, but it really does add up when you do significant amount of drop shipping or arbitrage. So make sure you guys get those. I'll put links in the description below for both Top Cashback and Ebates. There'll be a referral code where I will get $10 and you'll get $10 if you do sign up through that link. So I do recommend both of those if you guys are into any drop shipping or into any arbitrage. And the next thing that maximized my profit was the 3% rewards on the website. So this website had a coupon code that I found online on another website, and if you use that coupon code, you would get 3% rewards on that website. So on an $800 purchase, that's another $24. So what originally looked like only a $10 profit has now turned into a $66 profit once you take into account the cashback, the Ebates, and the rewards on the website that you receive when making that purchase. I just wanted to show this to you guys so you could see for yourself how you can really maximize your profit and increase your profit margins just by doing a few different things, making sure you have the right credit card that pays the best cash back that you can possibly get. If you make any sort of large purchases or a significant amount of small purchases, then the proper credit card is really important. And then the next thing is make sure you have Ebates or Top Cash Back for making any purchases online, because you got to go through that site first and they will pay you a percentage from each website that you go to. They support most websites that I source from. There's a few that they don't, but the majority are available on there. And then you just go through their site first, click on the retailer that you're going to be purchasing from, and that will get you some extra cash back. They'll pay you once every 3 months, and they can pay you in the form of check or to your PayPal account. And Top Cashback will pay back in either PayPal or gift cards. You get a higher percentage if you select gift cards. So I think if you take like an Amazon gift card, you get 3% additional cash back. So I always do the Amazon gift card because I buy a lot from Amazon. And the next thing is always make sure you check on deals websites and stuff like that to make sure that you are using the coupon code that will give you the highest amount of cash back or rewards. This particular one had a 3% coupon code. Without that coupon code, I would have got nothing. But then with the coupon code, it gave me an additional $24 of cash back or rewards. And it takes my profit from $10, which is nothing special, to $66, where that's a pretty decent sale. If you're making 10 or 20 or 50, however many you're going to make in a day, then that can really add up. Whereas if you make 10 sales at this, it's $100. If you make 10 sales at this, that's $660. So you can see how it will exponentially grow your profit if you use these tactics. So make sure you sign up for Ebates and Top Cashback and check to make sure that you have the credit card that will give you the best cash back, because it's really important, guys, and you will make a lot more money this way. I hope this video helped, and if it did, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.